Well, you guys may notice the audio does not match the video, and that's because my silly self forgot to turn the mic on when I recorded this video. And I guess that's just the residual effects of like just being super, super food coma-ish since, having great food. But hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And if you guys did, you guys can let me know that you guys had great food and great company just by hitting the like button. And I'll tell me like, hey, you guys had a good Thanksgiving. But I didn't feel like having to redo this entire video, so I'm just going to voice over it. And in this video, we're literally going to go over how to send files from a Pixel to an iPhone, right? Using the quick share AirDrop features on both these devices. So I'll send a device from my Pixel 10 to my iPhone 11 Pro Max using quick share. And then I will send a file from my iPhone 11 Pro Max to my Pixel 10. Now, the whole thing should work in the future with other Pixel devices, but for right now, it is the Pixel 10 that is able to send files to iPhones using the quick share to AirDrop feature. So anyways, couple things you guys want to do to get this all set up. I'll have my Pixel 10 right here, my iPhone 11 Pro Max. But on the Pixel 10, you want to go into settings and then just do a quick search for system services. And once you find it, tap on it, which will bring you to this menu here. And what you're going to scroll down and look for, you're going to look for quick share. And the reason why I'm telling you to do this is because there should be an update for the quick share extension. And if your phone already took it, you'll see where it says remove update. And you don't need to remove update. Don't click on that. But if you do see that an update is available, do the update, because that update contains what's needed to be able to do this function. So once you have that enabled, you want to go into the iPhone or your Mac or iPad, whatever you're going to use to send from your Pixel to your Apple product, and go into the AirDrop setting and make sure you turn on everyone. So then that way the phones can find each other through this feature. So on my Pixel 10, I am going to go ahead and set, I was going to choose a file to send, maybe a video, maybe a photo. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll send this wallpaper of Sub-Zero. And right there at the bottom, you see how it popped up and it showed you iPhone. So you would tap on that. And then on the iPhone, you get a little notification to tell you to accept it. So let me unlock the device real quick. Okay, so there should be a notification still there. Let's see. Let's see if I can find it, because I was having a little issue here right now is what was going on. But yeah, so I'll just redo the send. So let me cancel this and then resend. There we go. There's a notification. Hit accept. And it shared the file. Now it's a little bit weird. I noticed there's a little bit of a delay where it shows like the photo in the Apple photo album, but it's there. So yeah, that is basically sharing from the Pixel 10 over to the iPhone. So maybe I'll look for like another photo just to test it out real quick. So let's see. Okay, we got that notification again, and it's dropping, and that's just weird. Every time like my skin touches the screen, it just turns on that edit the screen thing. It's so weird. But yeah, I was able to send a quick video. So there's a video that I took with the Pixel 10 of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And so now we're going to do the other way. I'm going to send the file from my iPhone to my Pixel. So I would need to put the Pixel 10 to, in receive, and make sure that it can do, everyone. And the everyone option only lasts 10 minutes. So just got to keep that in mind. But now let's see how this works. Okay. Yeah, so we go into receive, and then I switch it up to receive from everyone for 10 minutes. My Pixel 10 popped up there, so sent it, got the request on the Pixel 10. And there we have it. I sent the photo from an iPhone to my Pixel 10. So that's pretty much how you do the file sharing between these devices. Hope this helps.